If you want to install VPN app on a Redmi A7 Pro, you just have to go to the Play Store. Then over here at the bottom, we can use the search option, and then at the top on the search field, we can simply type VPN. Of course, if you have the name of the specific VPN app that you wish to get, you can of course search by that name, and then you should be able to find your specific VPN app, as long as it is actually available in the Play Store. Now in here we have a list of many different VPN apps. Of course, feel free to try any of them. I actually encourage you to do so in order to try to find your favorite VPN app. In my case, I'm just gonna use this one over here. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to set it up, which is very simple. In many cases, we have free offers, so we can use the VPN app for free. But of course, our options are limited and we cannot really do any, well, maybe not anything. We cannot do that much compared to some premium offers. Of course, it's up to you if you want to pay for a premium offer or not. If you decide not to, then of course, that is completely fine. So, of course, I'm gonna open the app once it is installed. And in this case, we don't have to create any account. We can just use the app for free without an account. So I'm gonna just continue as a guest. You might also see some sort of like a premium offer, but we can just close it. In my case, I can just tap on Not Now over here. And then you should be able to connect to a random server. And in this specific case, the server is picked, I guess, randomly. You cannot really choose the country that you want to connect to. So that's of course a drawback. In some cases, some free VPN apps allow you to choose which country you want to use. Unfortunately, not in this case. And of course, we can also go to settings if you want to make some adjustments, if you want to find something out. And that is pretty much it. Of course, if you enjoy this app, then you can just leave it. You can use it on a daily basis if that's necessary. And in some cases, if you don't like the app, if you think it could be better, then of course, like I said, you can try any other VPN app that you can find in the Play Store. Leave a like and subscribe.